Today, we're breaking the rules. Well, at least according to the dictionary. You see, the formal definition of a pie is either a meat dish baked with biscuit or pastry crust, like a pot pie, or a dessert consisting of a filling in a pastry shell topped with a pastry, or both. However, the pie we're making today breaks the rules since it's brimming with saltine crackers, onions, and lots of cheddar cheese. The first thing we do is line a pie plate with some crushed saltine crackers that we mix with a little melted butter. We pop that in the fridge for a while we saute some thinly sliced onions and a little bit more butter until they're tender and golden. Now, the onions go into our crust and we top them with a mixture we made by beating together some eggs mixed with a little milk and salt and pepper. The only thing that's left to do is top it with some shredded cheddar before popping it in the oven. After it bakes, it's ready to cut into wedges. Serve it for brunch or as the perfect side dish with dinner. To get the recipe for what we call our cracker onion pie, all you have to do is stop by our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new definition kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Well, you'd rather have the pie than the dictionary.